Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering what all these controls mean and how does your speaker actually work. Now, let's first start off with the power button. So if you click and hold this button, it's just going to turn your speaker on. Now, once you turn your speaker on, it's going to tell you how much battery you have left, and it's also going to tell you what device is it currently connected to. Now, with this Bose speaker, it actually has an auto off timer. So this is automatically going to turn off within 20 minutes. And if you want to adjust this, then you want to make sure that you connect yourself to the Bose Connect app. So it has an auto off timer in which if there's nothing playing for about 20 minutes, your Bose speaker is going to automatically turn off. So this does save battery. Now, as far as the speaker functions go, we have the increase and decrease volume buttons, which are right over here. In the center here, we have a multifunctional button, okay? So if you press it once, it's going to pause or play the song. If you press it twice quickly, it's going to skip the song. And if you press it 3 times fast, it's going to skip backward a song. So next, you also have the Bluetooth pairing button right over here. So in order to actually go ahead and pair something on it via Bluetooth, what you have to do is that you have to press the Bluetooth button and then it's gonna blink blue. What you have to do is that if you press the Bluetooth button once, it's gonna tell you what device your speaker is currently connected to. So if you press it once,
connected to
it's told me that it's connected to my mobile device. But if I want to put it in pairing mode, you got to click on it and hold it until the light
ready
flashes
to connect
blue.
Another device.
So right now it's flashing blue, which means that it's ready to connect. Once it's blinking white, that means it's connecting to another device, okay? So this little blue light, once you've found it on your mobile device or on your laptop and you've connected it to the speaker, if it's connecting, it's going to blink white. Once it's connected, it's going to be a solid white. So 3 different lights. Right now it's in pairing mode. So just find it on your phone and then click on it, connect to it. And once it's connecting, it's going to flash white. And then once it has a solid connection to your device, it's going to be a solid white. Now, the other thing about the speaker is that it has a lot of different phone or call functions. So if you have an incoming call, you can press on the multifunction button to either answer or end the call. So press it once, answers the call. Press it once, also ends the call. If you want to decline an incoming call, you want to press and hold the multifunction button for at least 1 second. That's going to decline
Ready
a call.
to connect another device.
Let me go and turn this off. Now, if you want to go ahead and answer a second call while you're already on a call, while on a call, you want to press the multifunction button once so that it answers the call. Now, if you're already on a call, but you want to decline a call, go ahead and press and hold it for a second and it's going to decline the call. And then if you want to switch between 2 calls, you would actually double press this, okay? So if I'm already on a call, if I double press this, it's going to switch between 2 different calls. And then lastly, if you want to mute or unmute a call, just press both these buttons at the same time to unmute or mute yourself on a call. So essentially, the Bose speaker, it works really well when it comes to, I consider it like 2 different types of actions. One actions is due to phone calls, and then one actions is due to playing music. So be familiar with both the different types of actions when it comes to using your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. But that is essentially how to use it, guys. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.